How to find and use add your sticker on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and use the add your sticker on your Instagram. Let's dive right in. Open up your Instagram app. Then you need to go to the plus icon in your story option, and then you'll find the add yours option right at the front. Tap on it, and then here you can find various trending add your prompts that you can choose from. Like as you can see here, your hair era you missed right now, anything from your gallery, or you can create your own by tapping on the plus icon in the top right. So you can choose a picture from your gallery, tap on add yours, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.